Hello and welcome. Today, we'll delve into a common eye condition that often occurs as we age: cataracts. We'll explore what cataracts are, their symptoms, progression, causes, risk factors, diagnosis, treatment, and most importantly, how you can take steps to prevent them. Cataracts are a prevalent eye condition characterized by a clouding of the eye's natural lens, which leads to vision problems. To understand cataracts, let's first appreciate how our eyes work. Normally, the eye's lens is clear, allowing light to pass through and focus precisely on the retina at the back of the eye. The retina then sends these visual signals to the brain, allowing us to see clearly. However, when cataracts develop, the lens becomes cloudy or opaque. This cloudiness interferes with the passage of light through the eye, causing a significant reduction in vision clarity. Cataracts can vary in size and severity, and their impact on vision depends on these factors. In the early stages, cataracts may not significantly affect a person's vision. However, as they progress, individuals often start to notice symptoms such as blurred or hazy vision. Additionally, cataracts can lead to increased sensitivity to the glare of bright lights, particularly noticeable when driving at night. Furthermore, vision becomes substantially worse in dimly lit environments, making it challenging to see clearly in low-light conditions. If a person develops cataracts in just one eye, it can even result in double vision or multiple images in that eye. While aging is closely associated with cataracts, several factors can either cause or accelerate their development. One significant factor is genetics. If you have a family history of cataracts, your risk of developing them increases. Another contributing factor is exposure to UV radiation, making sunglasses and protective eyewear essential for prolonged sun exposure. Smoking is also a significant risk factor, especially if you're already genetically predisposed to cataracts. People with diabetes unfortunately face an increased risk due to the connection between cataracts and high blood sugar levels. Lastly, certain medications, such as corticosteroids and some high blood pressure medications, can heighten the risk of cataract development. It's crucial to consult your doctor about the medications you're taking, particularly if you're genetically predisposed to cataracts. Most cataracts can be diagnosed through a comprehensive eye exam performed by an eye specialist. If cataracts are detected, treatment options will be discussed. In many cases, the primary treatment for cataracts involves surgically removing the cloudy lens and replacing it with an artificial lens. Cataract surgery is a common and highly effective procedure that can significantly improve vision and quality of life. While medical intervention is crucial for treating cataracts, there are dietary considerations that can promote eye health and potentially reduce the risk of cataract development or slow their progression. Number 1. Antioxidant-rich foods. Foods rich in antioxidants play a vital role in protecting the eyes from oxidative stress, a contributing factor to cataract formation. Incorporate antioxidant-rich foods into your diet, including berries like blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Additionally, leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and broccoli are excellent choices for bolstering your eye health. These foods help combat the oxidative stress that can lead to cataracts. Number 2. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is another essential antioxidant that benefits eye health. Beyond its well-known immune-boosting properties, vitamin C protects your eyes against oxidative stress. To ensure you're getting enough, consume citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits, as well as strawberries and kiwi. Imagine a fruit salad bursting with eye-protecting nutrients. Number 3. Vitamin E. Vitamin E, found in almonds, sunflower seeds, and spinach, is another valuable antioxidant that safeguards your eyes from oxidative stress. By including these foods in your diet, you provide essential protection to your eye health. Number 4. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids, primarily found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and trout, offer anti-inflammatory properties that support overall eye health. If you're not a fan of fish, omega-3 supplements are a convenient alternative. Number 5. Nuts and seeds. Daily consumption of almonds, walnuts, or flax seeds can provide essential nutrients and healthy fats that benefit your eyes. These foods support overall eye health and contribute to maintaining good vision. Foods to avoid. To maintain optimal eye health and reduce the risk of cataracts, it's essential to limit processed foods and sugary drinks in your diet. A diet high in processed foods and sugar-sweetened beverages contributes to inflammation and excessive oxidative stress, increasing the risk of cataract development. Opt for whole, nutrient-rich foods instead to protect your eyes. Incorporating these nutrients and foods into your diet while avoiding processed foods and excessive sugar intake can go a long way in maintaining healthy eyes. Remember, keeping it simple is key to promoting eye health. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.